Keep Phoenix beautiful. All right, so it's July 15th and I finally got my bed at the Sunnyslope Community Garden. I got a nice little moringa bed. There's a few drip lines in here that spray this bed. There's already a big eggplant doing well with a whole bunch of flowers on it. I think I have some marigolds here and some onions. I didn't grow these yet, but I'm gonna leave them in. But I planted a whole bunch of moringas. I planted some hollyhocks along this corner here. Thank you to my friend Valerie. And then I planted some sunflowers from Stonehaven right here on this side. So there's a lot of squirrels in this area, and I guess we're learning that Irish Spring soap is a repellent, which is interesting if that works. And I got some bees. Look at little bees. What's up, buddy? So in a couple months, this moringa bed is going to be big. Oh look, I got bed 24. And I got some nice west shade from this Saliverde on the west. Shades the bed pretty nicely. It's kind of cool, right in this park. I would encourage you to look into community gardens in your area and get on the list. Try to get your own bed because you could do whatever you want. Plus it's a really cool experience meeting some really great people and planting fun stuff. So I mean, right now is the summertime, so everybody's shaded, but some of these gardens are looking really nice. And now I have my own plot. What's up, everyone? It's Dave Stone with another exciting episode of Develop Awesome Skills, where I'm committed to providing inspirational and practical ways to transform your life and the world around you by planting fruit and medicinal trees. And I just got myself a plot at a community garden here in Sunnyslope. This is hey, this is perfect. We just got wood chips here at this garden, and I just got a plot too. So now I am a member of this community garden, and if you guys find a community garden in your area, you should become a member too and get your own plot. I'm gonna be showing you my plot a little bit later, but what I wanted to show you today is we got the first load of wood chips, and it's kind of a small load, but it's perfect because now we can start the process of teaching people about how we use wood chips and why we use them. So the community garden has an upgrade with some wood chips, but this community garden is amazing, and I really think you guys, if you live in Phoenix, you should come check it out. It's up here in Sunnyslope. I gotta help spread these wood chips now. So this pile's going away, but it's not all the way down. But we got a little bit more work to do, but I'm gonna show you that bed that I just got here so you guys can get your own bed. I only planted this out a couple days ago with moringas, Egyptian spinach, hollyhocks, and some sunflowers. We got some moringa sprouts happening right there, and then also in the midst of Egyptian spinach, I believe, but those might be sunflowers. I put the sunflowers on this side, but I think everything looks like Egyptian spinach, starting with some little moringas happening. So there's these little drip watering systems that spray it all down. There's a little moringa. I just kept some of the stuff in here that's already in here and planted everything else out. And there's this shade on it right now when everything's sprouting. This is my little bed right here. Those are the friends of the community garden. That's what community gardens are about, is community. It's about making friends who love gardening, who love the earth, and you can do some cool stuff with. So I'm gonna go finish working on these wood chips. This pile has dropped significantly, but there's still a little bit here. This is amazing garden gold at the community garden. So this is what we've done already. Right now we're planting some moringas. They're using wicking beds right now and keeping it alive. The moringas want some chips, so we're gonna switch this out for some chips. We dug some holes without moringas. We put wood chips in there and we're watering the hole. We're getting ready to plant. So this is just straight mountain dirt that we're digging into, And wood chips just right on top of the soil. Don't bury them in, right on top of the soil will give you so much food. And we put wood chips in the hole and we dug the hole all the way down, but we're gonna take those wood chips out when we plant the tree. We just wanted something in the hole so we can be watering it and it can start developing some life in these holes before we plant these trees. Plus, we've chose a microclimate right here. You can see for this baby moringa, this creosote is gonna be its nurse plant. It's gonna protect it from the sun while it's baby, and we're gonna be spreading all these chips around. And this little moringa is doing really well right now. You give it some more chips, but she's doing so good. Very green. And then right back here in the corner, we did the same thing with a nurse creosote right here. Dug a hole right there. We chipped it, filled it with chips, trimmed up some of the creosote, and used it as mulch. And now we're gonna spread the mulch around, pull out the mulch out of the hole, and plant a tree. I'll show you that in another video. And then right over here in the corner is gonna be another little cool hangout spot. And so this is another moringa right here in the corner. Nice big hole. Got all the chips around it to give it some nice food and support when it's a baby. And yeah, looking really good. I think this is gonna look really great with this whole outer edge kind of lined with a few moringas down here. It's gonna provide some shade. This is the east side, but it will provide some shade. It'll provide some privacy. It'll provide some moringa, and it's a community garden, so it'll be amazing. A lot of shade is good out here, and the Palo Verdes right now are the ones bringing in the shade in this whole garden, but we're gonna have some moringa cover here real soon. So I'm excited about this. We're inoculating a community garden with wood chips. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment below if you guys join a community garden, if you're already in a community garden, if you have any questions about community gardens. Even if I don't know the answer, I'll find out and I will let you know. So put your comments and questions below, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button right now and the little bell icon right next to it so you can see when I post next. And I just want to say thank you so much also to my Patreon supporters. You guys mean the world to me. I really, really appreciate you. You will be getting your glasses soon. Hashtag DAS with a moringa leaf. And if you guys want some shades, if you want to become a Patreon of mine and help support my visions going on, you can go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills. And if you become a $3 Patreon of mine or more, I will send you a cool pair of shades. Plus, you'll be in the ending credits to these videos. So that's cool too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, develop awesome skills. Love y'all.